Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm Aparna. This is a video I definitely have been pushing back and forth on filming because I was kind of skeptical and afraid at the same time. Like, was it gonna be perfect? The way I'll be filming, the spontaneity throughout the day at office. I feel like I've been prolonging making this video because I genuinely was very confused with what marketing was. I don't want to steer anybody with wrong idea or with wrong impression, if that would make sense. Just because a lot of people are watching, these are probably the people who are deliberating if marketing is right for them. I just want to disclose something before the video starts because everything I say, just take it in a grain of salt because this is according to me. This is from my perspective, my personal opinion and my personal experience. Honestly, if I kept on being skeptical, I would have never come up with a video. So here we are to see the real me on a regular 10 to 6 day. So basically this is gonna be a day of me working at Smitten by Social, and also the next half portion is gonna be me doing the voiceover. And off we go. Today's drive kind of sucks. There was a bad traffic and of course a bad weather. I mean, that's Gangtok. That was 1 hour drive. I reach my office, I get my steps in, take my chair, switch on my system, and the first thing I do is check and reply all of my mails. After I am done with that, I check the calendars for the brands and schedule my shoot for the rest of the day. It's chilly and raining outside. Oh, hi there. So I'm at my office right now and I arrived an hour ago. I have few in-house shoots today and one outdoor shoot is there and some editing has to be done. First, let me tour you the office and show you the people, show you my amazing set of creative people whom I work with. So yeah, let's get going. This is basically the entrance and you walk in the editor's room. Okay, this is where we edit and create amazing videos. Okay, this is literally where I sit for 9 freaking hours and edit and design and do all the digital marketing. So yeah, of course he accompanies me. Another designer in this room. He designs for all sort of brands. Yeah, that is basically the editor's room. The amazing set of content writing team. Sitting straight we have Titash, Aitenshu and Manisha. This is our boss's cabin and a small lounge area. And we have a pantry, it's pretty cool, where we have everything that we might need. And walking straight to this door, this is our studio. We literally have everything, and yeah, it's a bit cluttered up because we are about to start with the shoot. 3 words that describe this office.
Smitten by Social.
I know the rate for government jobs is like very much out here. I think you should take one step forward in your life and experience digital marketing. Because if you want to experience a future outside Gangtok, believe me, this is money.
How do you feel that digital marketing is very important in Gangtok, in a place like Gangtok?
In a place like Gangtok, it is very much important because most of the people are not even aware of digital marketing much, but right now it is booming in Sikkim, and as much as offline marketing is important, I feel like digital marketing is important as well, and for that we are here.
He was to describe our office.
SBS. Smitten by Social.
Digital marketing is important because these days everyone is on their phone and they are consuming media that way. So to advertise like offline is also okay, but I feel like if you do it through social media and Instagram mostly, it'll be very effective.
So hi guys, hi again. I got back home from office. I couldn't shoot the outro at office because it was already 6:20. It was pouring very heavily. I had to get a cab and then come down. So that was it for today's video. I just wanted to keep the video length to a limit and not make it a 20 minutes long video. And yeah, I really hope you like the video regardless of whatever I spoke or whatever I conveyed. I hope the video was informative and as well as fun to watch. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Bye. Take care. Love ya.